Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2019 Outlander. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine, and comes with a continuously variable transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, 4-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, FWD, privacy glass. Inside you'll find backup camera, smart device integration, keyless entry, HD radio, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, security system, MP3 player. This beauty will make even your house keys jealous. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.